Hello guys. Today we are going to add free followers to our TikTok. As you can see here, I have TikTok account with more than 2,000 followers. First open a new tab in your web browser, then go to www.tikfreetok.cc. After that, the website will open and you have to put your TikTok username account to the box. Don't forget to put also the @ before the name. After that, you have to click Let's Go. As you can see, the account has been connected to our server. Now select the number of followers you want to add to your account. Down below the website you can see the comments and the live chat. You have to wait until the website generate the followers. It takes a while, so be patient. Now click Verify. You have to do a manual human verification to prevent bots from getting free followers. Complete a simple survey. It takes you just 1 to 3 minutes. Also, if you want to make it faster, do it from your phone. Phone surveys are a lot easier than desktop surveys. Phone surveys can be easier with just one application install, and use it for 30 seconds. So my suggestion is to do it from the phone. Fill everything with the information until you complete the survey. Alright guys. After completing the survey, let's see if followers have been added. Remember, sometimes it takes up to 20 minutes to add all followers. As you can see, the followers has been added. More than 5,000 followers in minutes. You can do it as many times you want.